for home derma rolling and derma stamping, you just want something nice and gentle. These aren't too bad. I think this is a 0.5 millimeter. Now, I used this for a while. The only thing is, when you use a derma roller, for instance, I'm just going to show you on my hand here. When you're rolling along, you're actually making micro tears into the skin. So that also helps literally rebuild and boost collagen and elastin with the skin. Unfortunately, I do find with a roller, when you're rolling, obviously the needle is slightly coming in at an angle, coming up and then coming away. So then you can end up with slightly, maybe a little more infection, if you like. Personally, I like to use a derma stamp, which I will show you in a moment. Now, when you use, even if you are using a derma roller, which I did use for years and I did find it was good, but now I've gone on to the stamps, which I personally prefer.